all assurances, we are trying to see how much we can do. Issues are high, but whatever is been done, whatever has to be done, as a assurance committee chairman, I am doing it.
One member of your assurance committee said that the 66% assurances are incomplete.
See, it is like this. Not 66%. There will be some which will be incomplete due to various reasons. Could be the government has not followed up. Maybe some things are left behind. But most of the assurances are complete. Let us say, last time I had said almost what assurance we took. तिथून आम्ही गेले तिथून आम 70% गेले 30% उरले आता तिथून जे कंप्लीट झालं नाही विच द कमिटी इज नॉट सॅटिस्फाईड वी राईट टू द स्पीकर टू दॅट दिस इज बीन झाला हे झालं बट मोस्ट ऑफ द assurances त्यांचे रिप्लाय बरे येतात सम हू डोंट गिव्ह वी सी दॅट वी कॉल द सेक्रेटरी
According to you, the 70-80% assurance has been fulfilled.
70% we have completed. तिथुले म्हणजे थोडे आहे ते redundant. Some already completed, some already. So we have touched almost 70%.
विजयन सांगा आता ते 300 pages दाखवलं की जाऊन
ते latest आहे ते. The assurances are from first assembly to the latest assembly of the session. We can't complete anything. Now today we have not completed even 50 assurances. Takes time. I'm पावत मिळेल होत लागता. So तो म्हणताला on the basis that we have not completed the thing. Last time we had to postpone the meeting. त्याच पहिले quorum ना झाला meeting एक. So but now continuously as a chairman the meetings are continuously घेता. म्हणजे I see to it that we have a regular meeting. आमगेले 2 report pending आहे 2 report आम्ही ऐकतले. 2 report आम्ही ऐकतले किती 2 report आम्ही सबमिट करतले पाटी. Last time
बाबा आणि एक विषय म्हणतात होता या दिवसांनी मी पळेला की some of the political leaders are trying to connect you with the BJP party whenever debates or discussions start. Tu त्यांना connected आहे तू त्यांच्या बरोबर what is your say?
See, politics and आपणा बरसत जमनीस आपणा बरसत तो उलयता. But I am an independent MLA and I supported the government and I am very clear about it. I mean, from you know how we used to from the opposition असं कितको आम बायसर लायते. बट अजून देखून आम्ही इश्यू जावं कित्यान तुवें कितको घेता तो जाणा तेन्ना आमकां लोक विचारतालो तुवें कितें केलें काय म्हण गांवांत कित्याक काम करना काय म्हण सो लास्ट इलेक्शनाक कांय लोकांक प्रॉमीस केल्लें कितें म्हणून की आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी रिलेटेड वर्क्सांचेर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करतले सो आमगे मेन इश्यूज पडे आहले एक प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर एक पुलीस स्टेशन आमगे ग्राउंड्स ऑल मेजर वर्क्स आर मोर देन 50% कंप्लीट some are 80% complete, some are 70% complete. So सगळे projects, including शेताचे रस्ते, आम्ही शेतान भरपूर काम केला. कोणाचें म्हाका they can't come close to me as far as शेतां दुसरी बागान घोडे येत. बट आमी जी सर्वीस दिल्या इतली वर्सां आज बारीक चेल जाल्यार म्हाका स्वता जायते एरियान शेतान पासून घर येयलें ते तांकां फेसिलिटी मेळना रोवपाक. आम्ही फॅसिलिटी दिली म्हणून लोकांनी शेत सांबाळले आणि आम्ही जे शेतां वेन आय फर्स्ट आमदार निवडून येयलो काय ना 40% पावली कल्टिवेशन ऑफ फिल्ड्स आय टूक इट टू 90%. इवन कोविड वी टूक इट टू 95%. आमगे इतू हे हा म्हणजे आमगेले सक्सेस रेट इतू हा बट वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू बोस्ट वी विल कंटिन्यू आवर वर्क वी हॅव बीन फॉर एवर डुईंग वर्क फॉर द पीपल. We will continue doing work. आणि जायत जाण जायत उलयत काय केल्यार आमगे focus to our good work will go. So we don't have to look at that. And finally it is the people who vote. People who last time देखून मुझे आता आनी एकले मुझे जायत उलयताले आज तेगे पार्टी खंय आहा ती चोय येते इलेक्शन जाचने पयले मुझे 2 वर्स उलयले आज खंय हाय आज ते सिस्टमॅटीक तेंकोडे हें आसलोलें कितें फेक आयडीज आहले आणि फेसबुकाचेर कमेंट मारताले आज ते फेक आयडी एकमेकांक मारपाक लागले ते.
So they were targeting you like that.
Targeting? This is nothing. I was targeted for 2 years and सगळे everybody combined to target me. But irrespective, all those targets are our strength. We have to fight it. We have to do good work, and now we have to be remembered for our good work. we should not be remembered for our bad work. Like for example, whatever आमगेले good work should be so high that bad work should not be seen. Because everybody, we are all humans. We all make mistakes. आमी जायत mistake करतात. सगळे mistake करतात. तुम्ही करता असले. I एकला mistake करना. तुम्ही करता असले. So it is not new. But we have to correct our mistakes. First identify our mistakes, correct our mistakes, and go up. So we will continuously. What I was 10 years back, I am nowhere what I am today. We have corrected mistakes and we have gone further. आमको बट शेतान नाही, शेतान बट ट्रॅक्टर एक ट्रॅक्टर आला म्हाकडे. आज कितले ट्रॅक्टर झाले, मशीन झाले आणि किती झाले. We have upgraded. We will upgrade. One thing we will assure our people. We will do much better work and we will prove to the others that we are one above the rest as far as work is concerned. But locally we are one among the rest. Locally I am one above the rest.
Reginald, how you see this Gen Z protest going on?
Gen Z protesters that I have already spoken. I don't know whether you have taken it. You can't take them lightly. You have to take them seriously. See, they are for a change in the system. I fully agree with them. There should be some change. Like for example, collector hoita. This southern top procedure as paena. There has to be a change. So they are our inspirations. We should, looking into them, we should change the systems and make it more savvy. AIs, then computer savvy, internet savvy things. Itli osti ilo hai. Itli easy zalo a procedure. And amge kita zaina. That should be our target. The government is doing their bit, but the game changer is beating these records and going to another level. That's what they want. Finally, they are not in politics. Tenge political kaina agenda. Tenge agenda is different. Tenge agenda is, to unite people, not to divide people. They are to change the system. They are tenge different mood. So let us. If we can get them to our side, why not? Why not listen to them? I'm loka aiktai. Thank aikpa kizala. I'm thank buri muda zaina and thank sodpa zaina. So I am with them. We will always listen to them. Thank you. Agitation zalale dekho nasan idea aikpa pon jaye kit solatte. You can't see on TV and work. You have to go to the site, listen to them, and act.
So upcoming election, we prepared our 2027 election.
Kide?
Elections.
Election means every election a separate election. You can't say that it is going to be like that and essay. We will fight, we will prepare ourselves, and we will win. We will win and we will do good.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.